Tonight we're here at the Capitol Theater on Detroit and West 65th for the world premiere of a student film that is inspired by a stage play, Say His Name, written by Cleveland School of the Arts students. And so that stage play was recorded, turned into a film by a CSA alum, and we're here to see the premiere tonight.
It means a lot because, it started off as something small, just, a couple of kids and the teacher just writing something. We never thought it would actually get produced because of COVID, and we would have never thought that it would end up on film. So to be able to show people this important film that touches on all these different topics, I feel like it's actually a wonderful opportunity and a great experience. I think people will learn a lot from watching this film.
It was very, very important to me. I have a super love for CSA and I have a love for the drama department. And I know that we did a lot of theater. Film wasn't really a thing for theater, you know what I'm saying? So for me to come and bring that to the students and bring that to the youth is like an amazing thing. So just, adapting film culture and seeing themselves and dreams and stuff like that more into the system.
The play is about the shooting of a black man. His name is Malcolm. I play Malcolm. He was driving, he gets pulled over by some cops and he gets shot. And people start to record and news spread. And this affects everybody, it's like a domino effect. And it's basically just like going through the lives of everything, and it leads up to the protests.
I was very pleased on how they tackled the topic and how they realistically tackle each and every single topic that was going on and what's going on in recent life right now. So I was just very proud and I was very happy to take that piece on and film it and put it up.
The kids got to walk into the Capitol Theater on the red carpet. There is the traditional pictures in their gowns and in their suits. They're headed into the theater now. There's reserved seating for them. And then afterwards, they're going to do a talk back with the other guests about why they wrote this picture, this film, and what it means to them.
We are not only presenting this film to all of you and the people who are still parking their cars, but we're also sending this film or presenting this film to about 1,500 to 1,600 school kids coming from all Cleveland schools.
It's a big difference from doing something on stage versus in front of a camera, a lot of different emotions, techniques, and I feel like two of them, they both teach you two different things. So I feel like you do need that on-stage experience as well as that in front of camera, experience to get that feel for what do I do when I'm on stage, how the audience is gonna react, how can I reel them in versus how can I reel them in if they're at home watching this from a screen, so.
I'm really nervous. I'm very excited though, because I do want to see the film. My family's coming tonight. I'm so nervous. I'm very nervous. This is my first film too.
But I want our students to be engaged in complex tasks that are worthy of their time and energy, and that's what they've done in writing this play, producing it, acting in it, and then turning it into a film. And then I want them to have authentic ways of demonstrating their learning, which is what this film is what the stage play was. And now I want them to enter it into film festivals. That's what people in their industry will do, and I want them to be living in that world. So I'm super excited for the kids and for their teachers.
That's it. That's it, Doc. Enjoy the show.